students, this is Mrs. Kamdar. I wanted to explain the slides 10 and 11 and what you will be doing here. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to go to ClassZone website. You're going to click on this link, and when you go there, you are to read each slide and learn about the 4 spheres of Earth. So Earth is a big system, and within the Earth's big huge system there are subsystems in it, and the 4 subsystems are called geosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. If you can't get this flash to work, watch my video in Google Classroom Assignment 007, and I've explained how to turn it on. And you can turn on your flash and be able to click on these and learn about this. So right here, it tells us geosphere is land, and examples of land are Earth's core, the mantle, the crust, the continents, the ocean floor, mountains, rocks, sand, dust, metals, asphalt, bricks. Those are all Earth's land, which is another word for that subsystem. It's called geosphere. So what you want to do is go through each of these and read about them. And then what you're going to do then is go to the next slide and learn a little bit more about each of the Earth's subsystems and how they interact with each other. You want to make sure you read all this, and then you want to go to the next slide and go through each of these slides until you're done with all 8 slides and have a good understanding of what this is. Once you read about them, then you need to go back to your slides, and on slide 11 you are going to tell me what a subsystem is in your own words. What does a subsystem mean, right? And then you're going to explain the 4 of Earth's subsystems, or spheres. We can also call them spheres. And the first one, I have it as an example, geosphere, is things such as mountains, Earth's crust, and you can write geosphere is land. That's what geo means land. Sphere means, part of our Earth's sphere. Then you want to talk about the next sphere, which is, as we looked over here, next sphere, you can talk about hydrosphere. And when you click on hydrosphere, it means water, and then it gives you what are some examples of it. So as you read these, you come back here and you give a brief description of the 4 spheres and what is an example of it. And on this page, you're simply going to find a photo that shows Earth's sphere and paste it in here, and that's slide 11. And that's how you do assignment 007. There's my stop button.